What is going on, guys? So I just got a 2-star review from this customer. We were hired to clean their driveway, and that is exactly what we did. This was about 3 days ago, and the driveway is perfectly clean. The customer text messaged me and said that he was concerned because there were some tannin stains left from leaves on the driveway. Obviously, when we clean, really? So obviously, when we clean the driveway, we remove all the leaves, anything that's on it. We surface clean, we pre-treat, we post-treat. So after he said that there were some tannin stains, we actually came back and I had my guy post-treat the entire area again. And there were some stains and they were lightened, but concrete is porous and stains dive in, and you're not always going to be able to remove them completely. That's just annoying. Anyway, so the guy said that he wasn't happy. Again, he told me that he was going to get out his own pressure washer and he was going to apply more pressure to take care of the stains. I explained to him that pressure wasn't the answer, that chemicals and detergents are the way to remove these stains, but his stains were not going to be removed. As you can see, there are leaves here that have fallen. We have had some moisture, and that's going to cause more stains. We cleaned it, everything looked good, and he said he was going to get out his own pressure washer. I said, that's not it. I've been doing this for a long time. He said, hey, I'm hard-headed. I've been wrong before, and, that's unbelievable. Why? So anyway, I don't know if he ever got his pressure washer out, but he said, hey, I'm going to buy you a beer if I'm wrong. Well, this morning, I wake up to another message from him because he said that he wasn't satisfied with the job because when we did the sidewalk, we stopped at his property line and we didn't clean another 4 feet of sidewalk on his customer's property. So this is the text message chain, as you can see. That's ridiculous. All right, now let's go down and take a look at what he was upset about and tell me what you think. So you can see where we stopped, and it's right there, and it goes for the curb or the gutter on the street as well. So my guys always stop at the property line, and he is upset because I didn't clean his neighbor's sidewalk. You saw it in the text message. That's why he was upset. I'm not going on someone else's property unless we are paid to do so. It is trespassing, and that's his property. I'm not going to go on someone else's property. It's that simple. So I got a 2-star review because I didn't clean his neighbor's driveway. Tell me what you think about that. That's a clean driveway. All right, so I told my wife that I got a 2-star review, and she said just let it go or go talk to the guy in person. So that is what I'm going to do. I'm going to walk up here. I brought him a beer. So I'm going to walk up. I'm going to see what happens and see if we can resolve this with a beer and a smile. Who knows? All right, so he didn't answer the door. So I'm going to drink this beer and call it a day. All right, so I just left the guy's next door neighbor's house because I was going to ask for permission to clean his sidewalk. He didn't answer, so I'm just going to text him and ask him. But I kind of wanted to get him on video saying, like, that's ridiculous. I never would have been upset, but it is what it is. All right, so no one likes bad reviews. It's the worst thing for a business. And I wanted to resolve this. I knew that I was in the right. And, we hear that cliche all the time. The customer is always right. And that's not always the case. In this particular scenario, the customer was not right. He was upset because he was upset because of the way I responded. I think he was upset because he thought that I should have done a little bit more. We did what we said we were going to do. We did a good job, which in theory should have warranted a 5-star review. He left us a 2-star review. That's his prerogative. I couldn't deal with that. So after trying to make amends, resolve the situation, I decided I was just going to text message him, and this is what he said. So at the end of the day, we are going to have the 2-star review removed. And I'm going to send one of the guys back, and we are going to touch up that little section of concrete out of goodwill. I don't know if it's the Christmas season or if it's just the right thing to do, but we're going to make things right. We're going to get the review removed, and sometimes you got to do it. Anyway, guys, hopefully you enjoyed. This video is now over.